I am Dylan Welsh, your resident guitar pro here at Musical U, and this month we're talking about syncopation, which is kind of a funky word, but as a concept is not that complicated, and it's something you're probably already familiar with orally. All syncopation really is when the strong beats that are emphasized throughout the song are in places that you wouldn't necessarily expect. Usually, the emphasis will come in on a combination of upbeats and downbeats, but it will do so in a way that kind of leaves you guessing. So, one example of a rhythm that you've probably heard a million times in various rock and pop songs is the that classic. With a metronome, I want you to go through each example one at a time, play each example as many times as it takes to get it sounding good, and play the rhythms on just a single chord, like so. Here's example one. Another key factor of this is to make sure when you're listening to music this month, listen for syncopation in the music that you like. Jazz is really heavily rooted in syncopated rhythms. That's a very important part of that. So, for example, the song Olio. As I said, in the document this month that's going to be important, you'll find the rhythmic notation of these exercises. If you're uncomfortable reading rhythmic notation, for one, you should consider checking out some of the resources on the Musical U website that talk about rhythms and how to read rhythms. I also have recordings of me playing a chord for each rhythmic exercise to give you guys an example if you want to learn it by ear.